What is a fractional CMO? Fractional Chief Marketing Officer. Before we dive in, let's clear something up. Marketing is not just a department. It's a vital part of your revenue engine. And if the parts, sales, marketing, customer success, etc., aren't working together, the strategy probably isn't aligned with the business goals, nor is it firing effectively. This can lead to the engine and your revenue growth stalling out. Your revenue engine is the integrated system for generating consistent and repeatable revenue, by the way. Let me start with what a fractional CMO is not. I am not your email tech, not your social media manager, not your ad buyer, funnel builder, or content creator. I don't push buttons in HubSpot or schedule TikToks. What I do is build and lead the marketing team that fuels your revenue engine and drives your business forward. You may already have a team that can do marketing, but what you might be missing is a leader who knows how to interpret your business goals, connect the dots across departments, and make sure marketing isn't just active, it's effective. Here's what I see over and over again. Companies invest in implementers, agencies, digital marketers, doers, but they skip over the leadership layer. And when the revenue engine isn't performing predictably, budgets tighten, heads roll, and the missing layer of leadership leaves the marketers running the same play, praying for better days. Nikivia, that's so philosophical, but make it make sense. When times get hard, the marketing leadership gap leaves you with surface level execution. Stuff is getting posted, emails are going out, campaigns are happening, but the bigger questions go unanswered. Is any of this moving the company forward? Are we solving the right problems? Are we telling the right story to the right people in the right way? Without someone at the helm, marketing becomes disconnected from sales, from ops, from leadership. Marketing becomes disconnected from results. A fractional CMO's role is to prevent revenue engine stalls through strategic alignment, monitoring the performance, and tuning or optimizing through leadership of the marketing functions. And if there's a stall, they triage with other leaders, adjust and oversee the strategy shifts. As a fractional CMO, I step in as your chief marketing officer and lead from the inside. I align with your executive team around the goals, build a strategy that connects every marketing effort to real outcomes, and lead the team to execute. This isn't about guessing. This is about guiding. I help marketing move in sync with the rest of your business, so your revenue engine runs on purpose, not on hope. Because when it's all aligned, strategy, systems, story, you don't just see motion, you see results. If you need someone to send emails, post to social, and implement every idea you have, you don't need or want a fractional CMO. You need a marketing technician, a doer, a digital marketer, and I can help you hire one. As a fractional CMO, I am in your company to solve bigger problems. I don't come to you and say, we sent out 4 emails this month with an open rate of 21.2%. I ask, why is our sales cycle so long? Can marketing address any of those factors? How many of those leads were unqualified? Where is the misalignment? What's the real reason for the pipeline slowdown? I work with leadership to get clear on what actually matters and then architect the strategy and the team that can solve the problem. Because the bigger the problems I solve, the bigger the impact I can make. And if I can't make an impact, I don't want to work with you. If marketing isn't happening at all, I'll develop your strategy, hire a team or an agency, and lead the execution. That's light work. And then I will come back to the table and ask, what's next? What objections are the sales team getting? Can we create some collateral and a campaign to help navigate that hurdle? So if you're ready to stop guessing and start tuning your revenue engine for reliable performance, then you need marketing leadership that drives clarity, consistency, and confidence. Let's chat. Because marketing is too important to keep running the same stale strategy, hoping for different results. When the right marketing leadership can make sure your investment in strategy actually delivers.